Come with me to a lesser known coastal destination with a lot to offer, Cabarita Beach. Cabarita Beach is located on the north coast of New South Wales, about 1.5 hours drive from Brisbane. Situated between the better known tourist destinations of the Gold Coast to the north and Byron Bay to the south. With large areas of protected wetland and limited development, Cabarita Beach has a quiet, relaxed holiday atmosphere. Bounded by nature reserve to the north and west and the Pacific Ocean to the east, this small coastal beach is renowned for its surfing and whale watching. With shelter from the northwesterly winds and protection from large swells, this stunning stretch of coast is the ideal place to swim, learn to surf, or simply kick back and enjoy the sun. Norris Head Lookout is a wonderful place to visit and take in the views. A short walk from the barbecue and picnic area that is next to the beach. As you walk up towards the lookout, the views over the beaches to both the north and the south are fabulous. At the top, you will be rewarded with a viewing platform to see dolphins all year round and humpback whales as they head north and then return back south in the winter months. Thank you and see you next time.